Hi, welcome to Just the Tip. Today I will... Okay, so the first thing you want to do... Ooh, sorry. Today on Just the Tip, I'm going to demo how to use a cream blush. So the first thing you want to do is scrape some cream blush onto your palette, and then you'll just dip your finger in it. So your makeup artist will use a sponge or a brush, but for personal use, quite honestly, it's easier to use your finger because your fingers are going to warm up that product and make it easier to spread. And then also you don't have to look for your brush. So then what you want to do is you just want to gently blend it onto your face. I like to start at the top of my cheekbone and work my way down around my apple of my cheek. So you just smile at the mirror if you're not sure where your apple is. Just it's right in there. Okay. So the neat thing about a cream blush is it can also be used as a lip color. Like that. And you can even use it as an eyeshadow if you'd like. And just like that. Okay, let's take a peek. Okay, now we'll do the other side. And there you go, a quick, easy way to use cream blush.